welcome back to our channel.
Guys!
What is this?
Wow!
Let's open it.
Have a look, what's on the front?
Tricycle.
Is it a quad?
Yeah.
Brum brum.
A Kawasaki green quad. And I'm gonna open it. Wow, look! And I'm gonna pull it out.
Come on, Nadia.
Go on. First, I'm gonna put my construction hat on and get my tools. So now I'm gonna make it. So we got some wheels. And wow, look, it's so shiny. 2 wheels. And we got a construction.
Instruction manual.
Yeah. With something at the back. And we got another wheel. Cover up. Wow!
Is it a nice green colour?
Yeah. I like it. So let's fix it. So now I'm gonna get my tools and screw these on. So now I'm gonna put this wheel on. Then now I'm gonna put the screw on. So now I'm gonna put the nice and tight. So now I'm going to put the handlebar in the last part.
Whoa! Nice reverse.